Here's the skillet milk bread. It's been in the proofer at 78 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to fold it for the first time. It's been 30 minutes. Take a look and see how the gluten is doing. The dough's feeling warm. And the gluten is still weak, but it's much more stretchy than it was when we first looked at it 30 minutes ago. So we'll go ahead and fold it. Fold it from one side, and then the other. Stretch, stretch, stretch. You can see the gluten fibers. Stretch. Then you take it from either side, pull it up, stretch. Stretching aligns the gluten strands and makes the bread stronger, makes the network of gluten strands stronger. Then we'll turn the whole piece of dough over, and I'll flatten it out, which will help it to even out the temperature. Whenever you fold dough, you'll take the outside dough that's warmer and fold it into the inside, and it will help distribute the warmth and make the dough more even temperature. I'll put it back in the proofer now. We'll see how the gluten development is doing now. It's very much stronger than it was the last time we checked. We'll go ahead and stretch and fold it. The dough's feeling really nice. Has some good bounce to it, and it's nice and warm. We'll put it back in the proofer, and I'll be back to fold it again. I won't be filming all the folds, but I'm going to be folding it just a couple more times. Okay, it's been 3 hours since we mixed up this dough, and the dough is very nice now. It's not as strong as a lean dough because of the fat in it, but it's got some really good stretch and a pretty good window pane. So I'm going to shape it up. Since many of you don't have a vanneton, I would like to make this bread up and use this proofing basket here in a plain, cheap colander with a tea towel, just to show you another way that it can be done. What I'm going to do is sprinkle some flour inside of this, and a good way to do this is to put the cloth flat across the top, then sprinkle the flour, and then set the dough down into it. We'll set this aside for now.